Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to the link on my website, www.videonote.es, video notes, or you could just type that URL in. Okay, once you're there, you're going to click Create Your Notes. And this will take you to this screen. Okay, on one side you see that there's a space to enter in your URL. If it's a video that you found on your own, you can just copy and paste the URL right into here. Or hopefully the link is right on my website and you can copy and paste that URL, Control-C, and then click on the box, Control-V, and there it is. Then you're going to click Load Video. Okay, now my video is loaded. Over here, I want to title this, so I'm just going to call this Shark Fin Soup Video, so I remember which video I'm taking notes on. Okay, the very first thing you want to do when you're taking notes on a video is watch the video once through. So we're going to watch this video once through together. My video is shorter and simpler than your videos are. That's because I'm just modeling this for you. So here we go, let's watch it.
When it comes to sharks, it's a numbers game. There are more than 400 kinds of sharks. Though most are slow to mature and they have few young, they've managed to survive for over 400 million years. But if you're a shark, these are the numbers that have you worried. 3 sharks every second, killed. 200,000 sharks every day, gone. Up to 73 million sharks every year, dead. So their fins can be used to make shark fin soup. Will we really let one of the most awesome predators of the ocean go extinct to make soup? The Pew Environment Group is trying to change the numbers for sharks. You can join us in furthering this success at pewsharks.org.
Okay, so the cool thing about this app is that it allows you to take notes over here while you are watching. So now that I've watched it once through, I have a really good idea of the types of things that I'm going to want to write down. So every time I hit a spot where I want to take a note, I'm going to pause the video. So let's do this together.
When it comes to sharks, it's a numbers game. There are more than 400 kinds of sharks.
Okay, right away, a number, a statistic, I'm going to write that down. 400 types of sharks.
Though most are slow to mature and they have few young, they've managed to survive for over 400 million years.
Okay, so I got 2 interesting facts there. One is that they're slow to mature and have few young, which tells me...
But if you're a shark...
Which tells me that because sharks are slow to mature and only have a few young, they are in danger of extinction. I was able to infer something from the facts that they gave me. They also said that sharks have been around for over 400 million years. That's pretty amazing.
These are the numbers that have you worried. 3 sharks every second, killed.
Okay, obviously something I want to write down. Every second, 3 sharks are killed.
200,000 sharks every day, gone.
Wow. Okay, so that's 200 sharks every day that are killed.
Up to 73 million sharks every year, dead.
This equates to 73 million sharks every year that are, I'm going to think of a good word here and say slaughtered. That's one of the emotional words we were talking about.
So their fins can be used to make shark fin soup. Will we really let one of the most awesome...
Okay. I'm going to say that most of these deaths are because humans want to use the sharks for shark fin soup.
Predators of the ocean go extinct to make soup? The Pew Environment Group is trying to change the numbers for sharks. You can join us in furthering this success at pewsharks.org.
Okay, so that's interesting. I think pewsharks.org is definitely something I'm going to write down because that's clearly a site that has more information that might be really helpful for this research project for me. Okay, so now that I'm done, I can see that my video and notes have been saved in Google Drive, which is great. Of course, I am already logged on to my Google Drive, which you should have been. So what you can do with these notes is either you can keep them in your Google Drive and you can just keep an electronic copy of them, or you can organize them and put them, color code them in your reader's notebooks. Whatever you decide to do is fine, just don't forget about them.